fingertips trace the curve of your cheek. Warm as morning light through linen sheets. You sigh like the world just learned to breathe, and I hold it all inside. Close your eyes now, let the quiet stay. This is where the world begins, not in grand words or promises, and how your hand fits mine as the night wraps us in. Your breath slows beneath my humming tune, a melody older than my own name. I memorize the way you leave behind when dreams pull you away. Drift now, little one, I'm right here. This is where the world begins, not in loud vows or distant stars, and how you trust me with your silence and your unspoken heart. One day you'll walk beyond this room, but tonight you're still mine, and I'll keep this hush like a secret, too precious to me. This is where